you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah. Am I in trouble?
Well, I was hoping you'd tell us what happened.
I took some money, but I'm paying it back.
You're paying it back? Place your hands behind your back. Go ahead and let go.
On July 2nd, 2025, deputies responded to a Taco Bell where manager reported employee Anna Marie stole $400 over 1 month. She initially denied, but confessed in writing after video evidence emerged. The manager reviewed security footage showing the theft pattern from June 5th onward. After confrontation, Anna Marie admitted taking cash to pay bills, providing a written statement documenting her actions.
She's still inside.
Okay, has she already been talked to about this incident?
Mm-hmm.
And what did she have to say?
She basically had to write a statement saying that she did steal the funds. And so I talked to him afterwards and they wanted me to call the press charge. She stole like $400 worth of cash. So,
and how long was this over?
over a month. It looks like she started on June 5th. And then they actually went to the cameras and looked, and she's been doing it for almost a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she's cooperative?
Yeah. Not initially. She was, denying, of course. But eventually, towards the end, she was like, yeah, I did do it. I made a mistake, kind of deal. So.
Okay. And she filled out a statement?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And are y'all wanting to press charges?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to try and talk to her.
Mm-hmm.
See if she's willing to talk to me. Do you have positive identification on her? You verified all of her information and who she is?
Oh, yeah, no, she works here. Yeah. She's been working here for 2 months. She's worked for me at the other store as well, so I know she is, yeah.
Okay. Actually, my partner's here, so let's just hang on a second, and I'll get the stuff from him.
Where is Anna now?
She's in the lobby still.
In the lobby?
Yeah.
Okay, do we have an office that we can borrow?
Office is kind of small. You guys can. It's in the kitchen, though, so it's not private. Yeah. She's over there. She's outside.
She's outside. Hi there. Deputy Wynn Sheriff's Office. Are you Anna?
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah. Am I in trouble?
Well, I was hoping you'd tell us what happened.
I took some money, but I'm paying it back.
You're paying it back?
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
So this is going to be your willingness to prosecute. So since you're wanting to prosecute, you're going to fill it out here, put her name, sign here, and then I'll notarize
Can I call
it.
my husband? Can I call my husband?
In a minute. Let me get your driver's license first. Do you have a Florida driver's license or ID?
That's not Florida?
No.
What the heck is it?
Have you ever had a...
Yeah.
Awesome. Here's this back. Do you go by Anna?
No, Anna Marie.
Anna Marie, full name? Okay. So Anna Marie, before we go any further, I do have to read you a little something. Can you put that down, pay attention?
Yeah.
I need you to put that down, pay attention, ma'am. My name is Deputy Wynn, badge number 875. This is due to everything that's going on, and these are your rights. Do you understand these rights? Everything you told Taco Bell true? Alright. So how long has this been going on for?
Just a day or two.
A day or two? Any reason why?
Bills. Bills.
Bills to pay? Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. And you're going to seek some kind of restitution or Taco Bell eventually? Okay. So what's happening now is they're completing their end of the paperwork with us. Do you want to fill out a statement or anything, or do you just want to run with what you have on what you've written down? Okay. Do you have a history of theft?
No.
Have you ever been to jail for theft before?
No.
Like anything of that nature?
No.
Have you ever been to jail at all?
Yeah. DUI.
DUI? Just that?
And probation.
And probation for the DUI?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Almost a year.
Almost a year? Are you still on probation?
No.
Okay. But you don't have any other criminal history? So, again, we're still waiting on all the paperwork to finish up, and then we'll take care of things from there, all
Am
right?
I going to see the judge today?
You might have a bond. So, you'll likely have a bond. So, at this point, you are being placed under arrest. Now, we don't have to do this right here in the middle of the store. We can walk out to my vehicle and
Okay.
take care of it then, all right?
And so I'll get a bond as soon as I get to the jail?
Yes. Because it's not a violent offense or anything. It's probably going to be a low dollar amount with the bond and bondsman and all that. It's not, at this point, I wouldn't worry too much about it. If your husband can bond you out, then by all ways, it means it's not going to be an obscene number from what I understand anyways. It's just a misdemeanor, okay?
Alright.
Let him know to meet you at the jail, alright? It's going to take me a minute to do paperwork when we get there, but after that paperwork's done, he should be able to bond you right now.
Okay.
Under Florida Statute Section 812.015, employers may detain suspected thieves for reasonable investigation periods. However, only sworn law enforcement officers possess arrest authority for criminal prosecution. Deputy Winbash properly advised Miranda rights before questioning. Miranda v. Arizona from 1966 requires this advisement before custodial interrogation to protect Fifth Amendment rights. Anna Marie voluntarily waived her Miranda rights and confirmed her confession was truthful. This waiver, clearly captured on body camera footage, allows her statements to be used as admissible evidence in court proceedings. When questioned about the timeline, Anna Marie claimed only a day or two of theft, directly contradicting the month-long evidence documented by management. She cited mounting financial pressures from unpaid bills as her primary motivation. A criminal background check revealed Anna Marie had one prior DUI conviction with successfully completed probation, but absolutely no theft history. This marked her first offense involving any form of dishonesty or property-related crime. Florida Statute 812.014 classifies theft of property valued between $100 and $750 as a first-degree misdemeanor. The maximum penalty includes 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. The deputy explained bond procedures clearly, noting nonviolent misdemeanors typically receive low bonds. Anna Marie would likely pay approximately $50 to a licensed bondsman for release shortly after the booking process. During the handcuffing process, Deputy Winbash carefully checked tightness and made adjustments for comfort while maintaining security. This demonstrates proper restraint technique that balances officer safety with humane treatment of suspects. The deputy clearly warned that introducing any prohibited items like lighters or vapes into the jail facility constitutes a separate felony offense. This critical advisement protects suspects from unknowingly facing additional serious charges. In a genuine, compassionate gesture, the deputy took time to charge Anna Marie's phone during transport to the jail. This small but meaningful act demonstrates that professionalism and basic humanity can successfully coexist in law enforcement.
Do you want to trespass with you as well?
Do y'all want your trespass?
Okay. That being said, ma'am, do you want your purse to follow you to the jail? Okay. All right, let's put your phone up and we'll head
Can I
to the
go
car.
pee real quick? Please?
Do you want to escort her to the restaurant?
What?
She's asking to pay.
I can pee real
Leave your
quick.
property here.
I will.
Anything else you guys need? Oh, you're still filling that out.
Yeah, but
And then she sent you the link to send the video and all that stuff.
she told me this. I guess you guys need his email address.
Somebody's email address. Who has the video footage of it?
Yeah, and he has the video footage.
Okay.
I'll give it to you before you leave.
Alrighty. Go ahead and grab your purse. Well, hell no. Do you have any weapons or anything on
No.
you? Okay. Your purse will be searched in detail once we
That's
get to my
fine.
car.
We're gonna go to this car over here.
Just place all of your belongings on top of your trunk.
I got it.
So my partner's going to go grab her
Are
gloves
you
real
sure
quick.
I'm going to get out today?
Likely, yeah. Because it's just misdemeanor. It's not like a domestic violence. It's not like DUI. DUI, you have to stay overnight. Domestic violence is typically a higher bond. Have to see judge overnight in the morning as well. This is a misdemeanor theft. It's not a big deal. It may appear to be a stressful situation, but Still $400, not a felony amount. So at least thank your stars that it wasn't, because then the bond amount would just be higher. All right, go ahead and turn around for me, ma'am. Place your hands behind your back. Go ahead and let go. Are any of these too tight?
A little bit.
Which one?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
All right, put your knuckles together. Like, are you able to twist your arms around?
Not really.
Okay.
Ow.
It's just because he's locking them right now. He's locking them so they don't tighten up.
Is this one a little bit better?
Yeah.
You try and slip out of them and get your hands out of them, you will be charged an additional
I
charge.
will.
You understand?
I'm not going anywhere.
Face the vehicle for me.
The lighter cannot go with you to the jail,
That's
so
fine.
it will
You
be
can throw
thrown
it
out. Everything else,
And the vape?
no, the vape can't go either.
Is that the only thing in here? You understand that if anything introduced into the jail will be a
I
felony?
don't have any.
Okay. And take a seat.
Your property will be in the trunk. Okay?
That's okay. What kind of bond am I going to have?
I don't set the bond, but if I recall correctly, the misdemeanor bond's less than $1,000, if I recall correctly.
And you sure that they'll let me go home today?
I am 90% positive. I don't make guarantees on what they'll do, but again, this isn't anything violent. It's not a felony. It's not as you don't have a bond or a warrant or anything like this. It's just a misdemeanor offense.
Okay. Can you turn my phone off?
I can do that at the jail.
Okay.
Do you know how much power it has left?
Not much.
Okay. If I knew it, I would have just charged it up here for you.
You can do that if you can.
It's a little bit late now because once I enter this in, we have to get going. It's tracking us, like, on the way there.
So if the bail is like 1,000, what would I have to pay?
You'll have to discuss that with the bondsman. Typically, it's about 5%.
So it's like $100?
More like 50.
Really?
Yeah, 5%. I don't think it'll be that high, though.
How long have you been on the job?
A little bit over 6 years.
You like it?
It's not a desk job, I'll tell you that much.
You really don't think I'm going to be here long, huh?
I don't think it'll be that long. This one, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you. That's nice of you.
Take about an hour to charge. It's about half full. Samsung's usually lasts forever, too.
I know.
Don't let me forget it's there, though.
Okay.
Deputy Winbash earns a grade of A for exemplary professional conduct throughout this arrest. She meticulously followed proper legal procedures, maintained composure under pressure, answered questions patiently, and treated the subject with dignity. Anna Marie receives a grade of B+ for her conduct. Despite committing the theft, she fully cooperated throughout the arrest, did not physically resist, and showed genuine remorse. Her compliance prevented dangerous escalation. Key lesson for law enforcement: clear communication and compassion during arrests build public trust. Deputy Winbash's patient explanations and calm demeanor significantly reduced anxiety and maintained a professional atmosphere throughout. Critical lesson for employees facing hardship: financial difficulties never justify theft under any circumstances. Legal assistance programs, employer salary advances, or professional credit counseling provide lawful alternatives to criminal conduct. Important lesson for employers: meticulously document all theft investigations. The written confession, video evidence, and detailed timeline provided clear probable cause, making prosecution straightforward and legally defensible in court. This case exemplifies textbook proper misdemeanor arrest procedure from start to finish. The combination of legal compliance, tactical professionalism, and genuine human dignity creates a model interaction valuable for law enforcement training purposes.